Master Spa's quick tip: swim spa wear gates. Called a wear gate, the filter housing keeps the skimmer baskets in place and debris trapped in the filter area. Slide the faceplate up and out slowly to remove. As you lift up, the door will fall backward. Set the wear gates aside and take out the skimmer baskets. Turn the filters counterclockwise to remove. If you have large debris, be sure to scoop this out. Once your filters are rinsed and clean, it's time to reverse. Replace the filters, turning clockwise to secure. Slide the skimmer baskets into place. Now for the wear gates. Line up the wear gate at the top of the faceplate. Allow the door to fall back toward the skimmer basket. Slide the wear gate down into place. You might have to apply some pressure on the top of the wear to make sure it snaps securely into place. Listen up, you'll hear when it's properly in place. For more help, check out our other videos about how to maintain and enjoy your swim spa. You can also check out your owner's manual at masterspas.com/resources. And until next time, relax. It's Master Spas.